when you hear this beautiful music. This symphony that can only exist in nature. They're still here, they haven't flown south yet. There they go again. Wow. What a blessing to see this. Ooh, look at this beautiful. Oh, thank you. You came right in front of me. Huh? Are you healing my heart? I think so. You know how much it makes me happy to see you. God bless you. Yes, my friends, nothing is more healing than nature and animals. Thank you. They talk to each other. I wish I understood what you were saying. Hey?